Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, we will explore how to approach someone in a professional networking session and start a basic conversation. To get the most out of this lesson, we recommend repeating the phrases along with us. Let's begin. Happy learning. Hi. It's great to see you here. How have you been?
Hi. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Are you attending the whole conference?
Yes, I am. I'm particularly interested in the energy sessions. You?
Same here. There's a talk this afternoon that I don't want to miss.
Let's catch up during the break then.
Sounds good. See you later.
Bye.